A majority of the frustrations that come from within our workplace and relationships come from not knowing ourselves and not knowing how to operate within the roles required of us. While most personality assessments focus only on one dimension, how you perceive yourself, Pro-D is a three-dimensional assessment that reveals the whole picture of who you are and the roles you were meant to fulfill. Pro-D is all about relationships. We don't just look at the way you perceive yourself, we take a holistic approach by looking at your motivators, your skills, your behaviors, and how all of these relate to one another and to the organization or relationship that you are a part of. Our goal is to help you understand your specific role and to empower you to live the life you are meant to live. Let us tell you a little more. Pro-D is a state-of-the-art professional development instrument for leaders that provides valuable insight into an individual's mission, competency, and style. The Pro-D framework is built on 9 career value areas that provide the foundation for understanding how people are wired. The Pro-D isn't about putting you in a box, changing or fixing you. It's an expression of who you are, what you value, and how these values inform your behavior in the workplace and in your relationships. Pro-D knows that everyone is wired uniquely. By experiencing the Pro-D, you are better positioned to understand yourself and others. In larger organizations, the Pro-D can accelerate the getting to know you phase and can be used to bring clarity to leadership development. Self-awareness is good leadership, and once you grasp your personalized mission, competency, and style, the next step is clearly articulating who you are to others. Pro-D is presented in a language that is positive and encouraging and provides the data and vocabulary to not only understand yourself, but to concisely communicate yourself to others in your organization. Your personalized Pro-D report will show you things like model roles, ideal job functions, key traits, and caution areas. And because we know you would probably like to see all of that laid out in front of you, the Pro-D adds a visual chart to show how the different layers come together. Your Pro-D coach will review your results with you and talk over the personal areas of stress and frustration coming from your current role within your organization.
Pro-D has transformed individuals, relationships, and organizations all over the world. Visit www.pro-d.com